no further than a Chevy Silverado from Whitworth Wilsonville Chevrolet. These are the last of 2018. The pickup that's perfect for every day of the week and works twice as hard on Sunday. Check them out at wilsonvillechevy.com.
Сейчас мы находимся в штате Орегон, Area Salem, и едем на водопады. Фермерские такие зоны здесь, фермерские земли.
If you're looking for smart ways to save money, head to Fred Meyer for the Buy 5, Save 5 event. Just choose from a great selection of participating items. And when you buy any 5, you'll save $5 instantly at checkout. Take home select favorites like Kroger brand shredded cheese, Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, Doritos Nacho Cheese Chips, and more. Just visit fredmeyer.com or the app for details. The Buy 5, Save 5 event is happening now at Fred Meyer. Head into your neighborhood Fred Meyer for the big 4-day sale. It's happening this week, Thursday through Sunday. You'll find hot deals on select family favorites, so be sure to hurry in and stock up and save. For more details, just visit the Fred Meyer app or log on to fredmeyer.com. Right now at the 4-day sale, you can take home select varieties of rich, creamy Dairy Gold butter. They're 2 for just $5. Fred Meyer, what's on your list today?
Well, the snow didn't accumulate like everyone thought, but at Mercedes-Benz of Wilsonville, we still need to make up for a couple of lost days. So we're inviting everyone to our Snow Day sales event. Mercedes-Benz of Wilsonville is the #1 volume Mercedes-Benz store in Oregon, with more than 800 vehicles to choose from. Lease a pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 with full-time all-wheel drive, just $300.
Конечно, не ловит здесь. Selection of beer, wine, and more. Corvallis Brewing Supply is located in the heart of downtown Corvallis.
Playwright Terrell Alvin McCraney shared a fresh perspective on black men in the award-winning film Moonlight. He has more to say in Choir Boy, his